Or maybe we can just say, where are our AirPods? Oops, oops. I forgot to bring my AirPods. Let's see if it is streaming right here. Right. Pop out chat. Here. Cool. I think we are good. And I'm a bit late, I think 5-10 minutes late. Actually, I was thinking to take rest today, but then I found out very interesting thing on. Wait, let me just share what I found out. I was thinking to take rest today, but then I found out very interesting thing. So I saw this today. Just like I was thinking, maybe today I should not do the stream, and so I was having a little bit of headache as it was my water fast, and I had my dinner like few hours back. Then I found out this on Twitter. So sometimes this could be really interesting when you read something when you're browsing internet and it inspires you. That's what happened with me. So let's read it. What it is, then when we experience some success, another chemical is released, dopamine, that follows that allows for the plasticity, the learning to take place. As Huberman points out, quitting in frustration and walking away from a new challenge is the worst thing we can do, because that feeling of frustration is actually a signal that neuroplasticity is about to occur. Now, discomfort means the brain is right on the verge of change. If we stay with the struggle until we experience a little progress, the dopamine tells the brain that this new approach is working better than the old one. This is what starts the neural rewiring process. If we don't try, the brain never rewires for the better. If we quit, the brain will get better at quitting. If we keep going, the brain will get better at persisting. So today we will persist. I'll pause this for a while. Okay, do we have people here? Cool. I see 6 watching. Awesome. Welcome, guys. Harshit, no music. Yes, Harshit. Let's play some music. I forgot my AirPods. Maybe I'll go also. Which music? This one I feel is nice. So let's play this. I will pause this. Is it a good angle for my keyboard? Hey Srar, hello. Tarun, hi. Welcome, guys. I'm sorry, I'm a bit late. Like 5-10 minutes. I was just blabbering about it. Why, when, where. So yeah, let's start. Today was a big day, guys. Big means like a tough big day. Like too many things already done. I've published, like shot the video, shot half of it today and edited it and published. And another was the app I have submitted for, for review. So that's a good thing. It's out. If everything goes well, Apple might approve it. What else happened today? Post handle. Let's start. I like some borders. Okay. Pakoda is asking guys something. Anyone here used Better Auth with Mongoose? How can I use custom user schema created with Mongoose? Anyone who can help Pakoda here? Pakoda, I have no idea. I have used Mongoose long back, but yeah, not recent times. And I think I've said it a couple of times. I hate auth. I hate to spend my time on auth. I feel it's such a boring problem. Like I want to stay away from it as much as possible. And I think Firebase has done a pretty good job. Like if anyone just wants to auth people, can use Firebase or any like direct integration. But again, what do I know? Shubham. Hey, hi Shubham. Welcome back. How is everybody doing today? Today is what? Today is Saturday. Sorry, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Mm, 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 mm. I'm just setting few things. Daksh, first time here. Hey, welcome Daksh. Welcome to the stream, and hope you will stick around. And if you haven't joined, you can join our Discord group. There we talk about tech resources and all, mostly AI related. Here is the link. Nightbot, do your thing. All my audio and everything is fine, right? Okay, I can listen to some music. I don't know if it's. Let me know if it's too much music. So I'm not using my AirPods. Okay, this view of my chill guy is missing. Guys, this chill guy, it's available for. It's on sale. It's on sale, guys. Even this guy is on sale. Yes sir, but सीखने के लिए औद से गुजर के Yes Pakoda, you're right. It's the fire river which we all have to cross once. Israr, Nightbot मैं तुम्हें चुनता Okay, I'm in a mood to make a meme. Let's make a meme. Okay guys, help me make a meme. Yeah, this one. Let's see this meme. I'll post it here on the memes channel. Rate my meme. I started using Windsurf. It's a game changer. I DM'd you _ Dekhna. Oh, Israr, nice, awesome. Yeah, I'll check it out. Your message. I saw I had few messages, but yeah, I was away from keyboard. AFK. Okay guys, where were we? So yeah, this is a good thing. I wrote it down yesterday. So today is what? 21st Jan 2024, 25, sorry. And what's the task for the day? We have one. We want to adding a preview with scrubbing. And no, this should be two. One is I also need to add, okay, just a text timeline, add on timeline view. And I want to break it down into a smaller pieces instead of having this big feature task. Ban Nightbot. Why is, oh shit, it's not Nightbot's fault, guys. I misspelled Discord. Yeah, it's here. Right on time. The 15-minute mark is also here. Okay. Yeah, 15-minute mark reached. Okay, so adding preview with scrubbing, what I need to do? Research. Okay, before research, maybe I should add a library. Add Remotion player. I want to use Remotion. Well, that helps on server-side video rendering as well. Hi Divyanshu. Hi Amit. Welcome back. How's your day going? Anything interesting? Pakoda. बेचारा नाइटबॉट मैं तो गाली दे चुका था मन में. No guys, Nightbot is very attentive. He's available every time we call him. Okay. Where are we? Okay. And what is this? Vivek, welcome to the stream, guys. Vivek, my man. Welcome back. Welcome back. We add remotion player and research if we can link local video path to preview on remotion. I mean, it's possible, but yeah, it's better if we test it out. And what else? I think we are just expecting too much based on my history. So yeah, let's wrap it up on this much only. So one is text timeline and preview scrubbing. That's it. If we can do this, we can call it a success today. Wow, we have 11 people watching. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Let's start. What you guys are working on today? Anything interesting? Timeline layer. Audio timeline. No timeline. Nothing much. Still working on refactoring backend APIs. Oh, nice, Amit. You are still working on that. Interesting. Sometimes I love refactoring tasks, like when you don't have to build anything and just clean things. It feels like when you clean your house, right? It's so meditative. You just keep cleaning, refactoring, and once you look at it, like once it's done, you feel very happy. But with refactoring, it's like you're also like, mostly with me, I was mostly unsure what did I break this time. I'm pretty sure all this refactoring should have resulted in some sort of fuck up. It's not nothing much. Okay, Divyanshu, you forgot to add the link in your today's video description, that context file. Oh shit, yes, you're right, Israr. Let me go to cursor rules and let me do one thing. I don't want to share exact this. Let me ask GPT, or let's ask DeepSeek. Did you guys know today, like the DeepSeek new version is released? What it is called, R1. This one, DeepThink. It's much better than O1. Kind of a hacky thing. I was reading about like the paper they have published and all. This is my cursor rule. Please make it generic. Right now it's on the basis my current project. So I want to share it with others online. Please keep generic details. Let's see. Vivek, make some videos like today one. What other tools you are utilizing shipping things faster? Sure, Vivek. There is one on my like pipeline. So yeah, I am creating 2 videos. Let me do a poll, right? You guys can help me. Which one should I focus more on? Start a poll. Okay. Which video should I make next? So one is what's in my desk, or my desk tour, you can say. This one. Another is my app. Okay. Coding tools I use to build apps. And another is coding or indie dev vlog. Start the poll. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, Daksh, I'm feeling stuck right now. Been applying to jobs but not getting any responses. Good to be quiet or not? Okay, so Daksh, you are applying for jobs but you are not getting any responses. Yeah man, it's a tough market right now, but yeah, keep applying. Also, I was hoping someone would ask this question because I had someone special which I recently started following, this guy, and I was hoping someone will ask me this question, and I will show him this person. Wait, let me show him. Let me find him first. Where is this guy? Yes, so anyone who is currently looking for a job in this market, guys, see this guy, what he's doing. So he's Aiden Lee. I don't know this guy. He just popped up on my timeline, and he only has 700 subscribers, 73 videos. What he's doing is every day, like today, see, I have seen him live today, this one, and yesterday also I saw him, and he has taken a challenge. So from day 1 month, he's been posting daily for 2 hours. He's coding lead code problems, like learning, and he's streaming all this for 2 hours. And the title is Coding Every Day Until I Get a Job. To be honest, like I can assure this on this stream right now, like within next 2 to 3 weeks, he will have multiple job offers, because he's doing something very different, which I don't think anyone else is doing. And he will get visibility. As you can see, more and more people are coming into his streams. Someone will know someone who will link to this guy, like I am telling about this guy to you guys. And this is a way to get jobs sometimes. Like you have to do some things different to attract like employers, right? It doesn't matter if you're a really good developer, but sometimes you have to find these tricks to market yourself, market your skills. And this is, I think he's on the right track. He's doing one of the very special things. Yeah. So Daksh, maybe this could inspire you on doing something different. Zuma's cat. What's up? What's up, Zuma? Hope your footballer is not beating the cat today. Vivek, devlog doesn't add value, my opinion. I agree. It doesn't add any value, but to be honest, those videos get a lot of views. A lot. I don't know. YouTube loves such kind of content, or maybe other people. So yeah, that's why I generally put them as one of the thing I want to make. Coding tools I used to build to apps. Okay, this is winning. My desk tour is winning the most. Okay, let's wait for at least 1 hour to see. Okay, where were we? No, Deep Think disappointed me. So I'll just copy paste everything which I have here. I will make it a GitHub rule. Create a new gist. Let's add this cursor description. Cursor rules for cursor. Cursor or vendor rules dot cursor rules. These guy you shared adds value. These guy you mean? Amit, which one is better for doc, Swagger or Postman? Your opinion. Amit, I have only used Swagger, never used Postman for documentation. To be honest, I hate Postman. Like recently, I've used Postman mostly for its REST client, like testing. It's so slow, it's so bloated for my use case. Maybe it's it's a huge company, and I think for docs and all, I have never used it, so maybe I don't know the full potential of it. But I personally prefer Swagger. Shivanshu, good evening. Hello. Let me just add this, guys, on this video. Dot cursor rules. Save changes. So Israr, I just updated the cursor rules on the video. It would be. Also, we are very close to 4,000. We are like 3,996. So anyone who has not subscribed and in the stream, I would really appreciate. Please subscribe, guys. We just need 4 people. So if this happens on this stream, that would be super cool. Like if we get 4 people in this stream who would subscribe. Okay, where are we in the timeline? Israr, exactly in my experience, any person who are at good position, almost every next person gets a job from different technique. Even I don't consider myself a good developer, but I present myself better. Yeah, that's one of the thing. Like in as an engineer, I feel like soft skills are very important. They are neglected, but they are very, very important when you can present yourself. Because I feel half of the thing is communication in being an engineer. You have to convey what you are thinking clearly to your team members, what you are doing, and the better you are at communication in general, you will be a good team partner to work with. Daksh, done. Subscribe. Thank you Daksh. Let's roll it up. Is there any dashboard where we can check how many people are? Okay, let me do one thing. YouTube countdown. YouTube countdown widget, maybe. Okay, so there is, I couldn't find it easily, so I'll not waste much time. Israr, let me do that from how many accounts you have, Israr? Wow, guys, we are at 98. We just need 2 more people. $99, guys, just one person is. Brain drain, go away, bro. The result of that bounty video. Brain drain, go away. So actually I found one guy with whom I worked after that bounty video, and it didn't work out that well. And you know, like that, I have to shut down that project. It was not even close. So it was it's still a mystery, that problem. I never reached to that level of smoothness which I was expecting, and maybe it was a technical issue with the technology which I was using. Guys, we are 4,000. We are 4,000. Let's do confetti. What? No, confetti. Ooh. You guys see this? The confetti? We are 4,000. Let me switch up my account. Subscribe from me. Thank you, Sir. Thank you so much, guys. So we have already like done 4,000. This is a 4,000. 4,000 whistles are blowing everywhere, and done. Yes, guys, we are 4,000 now. Here we are 4,000. I love this. Kalyanam Chakravarti. Hello Kalyanam. Welcome to this stream. Zuma's cat done. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. This feels so good. Like looking at the screen alone feels okay, but looking with all of you, it's interesting. It's very nice. Okay. The good thing is today I did this stream. I was telling in the first half I was not Planning to do it today. Harshit, congrats. Thank you, Harshit. Brain rain go away. Congratulations. Thank you, Amit. Congrats. Thank you, guys. 4,000. It's a big number. Wow, we have 4,002 guys. Suddenly, we got so many. Very nice. Okay, let's continue. Continue the thing. Pakoda, congratulations to you, but hua kya? So, Pakoda, we got 4,000 subscribers. I was at 3,996, and suddenly you guys helped me get 4 more. So, we reached live 4,000, and here is confetti. I don't know, I'm playing this confetti. I don't even know if you guys can watch this. To me, it feels very smooth. Where are you working right now? Brain drain. I'm working nowhere. Like I'm currently, like I quit my job last year, and currently I'm just building my own things. Vivek, how much time it took to reach 4K? So Vivek, it took me a long time. I've been not very consistent with YouTube. I've been posting for last 2-3 years now, here and there. Like, okay, let me show you guys. You know, I've been posting. Let me show you. I did live streaming way back in, I think 2018 or something. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. 403 content live. Let me go all the way back. You see this? I've made these videos private, but this was in like October 2018. So I was doing this Android coding, some building an app in Android, 1 hour, 2 hour. So I was doing it in 18. Then I started doing it in 19 as well, a little bit. Then, so yeah, it's been a long time. But this year in 2024, I thought I should be consistent. I got this free time and I thought, yeah, let's do it, because it helps me fulfill my hobby of like photography and with camera editing. I like editing and like storytelling in general. I want to improve on it, and so that's what I thought. Let's focus on this hobby as well, alongside doing what I really do most of the days, which is like working on these projects. Vivek, was it fun for you? It's super fun. It's so fun. Like I don't make any video which is not fun for me. And sometimes after making, I feel like, okay, this was not fun, and then I don't make that kind of video. I have made a couple of videos which were not very fun to make, to be honest. And so yeah, I don't make those kind of videos now. I only make videos which are very, like, first of all, super interesting to me. And yeah, there was some sound. I don't know what it was. Was it subscription sound happening? I think subscription webhooks are hitting right now. Okay, Brain Rot, your quality is good, to be honest, than others. Thank you so much, Brain Rain. What specifically do you like? I would love to know. Pakoda, 4K subs is like 40K, but without steroids. 40K. Yeah, at this point, it's not a subscription game to me. I mean, it feels good, but it goes away. The first 1,000 I was really excited with. Like when I got like 1,000 people subscribing, it was a different feeling. But yeah, it's quite humbling to see 4K subscribers. Spike Gaming, how can I improve my backend writing skills? Cause I want my personal projects to unique. This is a very interesting question, Spike. How can I improve my backend writing skill? You mean your backend coding skills? And you want to make your personal projects unique? Yeah, can you elaborate that a bit? Because I'm not very clear what you exactly are asking here. Okay, let's quickly add the text layer. Audio timeline is already here. I will just copy paste it to convert it into a text timeline. change this to text timeline layer. This layer will have a text overlay on the video, and when we add any text layer, it will take the full width away label. Let's see how it does. Natik, bro, can you give me app development roadmap? Sure, Natik. You can just directly go to roadmap.sh here, this website. In roadmap.sh, you can go to app development. Now you want to, which kind of app do you want to build? First is Android and iOS. If you want to build native, you can click on Android and then otherwise iOS. And if you are interested in like React Native, which I make apps with, React Native is somewhere here. If you click on this, it will show you the whole roadmap. But just a quick advice, don't follow everything blindly. Just do the first section this much in the first week. It's 1 week is good enough. Like if you put 2-3 hours daily, and once you do this, start making an app and then learn whatever is needed. Like you don't have to learn every single element unless you are using it in your app, and learn by building this app. So yeah, this is a very good website. I used to share this mostly on all my one-on-ones with the juniors. Doing live stream may not gain you much subs, but it will gain you genuine subs. Pakoda. Yeah, like doing live stream is so fun, guys. I don't know, like my whole evenings are sorted now. I was so bored and so much, you are not bored, but you are bored after you are finished doing that entertaining thing, which was like Instagram and scrolling over the reels or just watching mindless YouTube. It was just filling the gap of boredom, but this now feels much better to me. I feel like I get a lot of dopamine doing these things. Yeah. Brain Rain, go away. Have you worked on maps before, like map library? Yes, Brain Rain, I have worked on maps. So once I built an kind of a Uber app for blood donation, like you can have blood donors shown in a map locally who have that app. It was kind of a, what kind of project you can call it? Donation project. Like someone asked me to build it and I just built it for them. Because I knew it will not be monetary. It will never be a success. Because to market such things, you need a heavy budget. Otherwise, nobody is searching on App Store or Play Store, I want to donate blood, and they're installing these apps. But yeah, still I made that. Spike Gaming, I can perform CRUD operation easily, but when I want to write complex backend logic, I get stuck. Spike, use AI, take help from AI, explain it what kind of logic you want to build, and maybe learn along the way when it gives you the answer. So it will be good learning while building practice. Natik, thanks. You're welcome, Natik. Let's see what it has done. Timeline layers prop. Text timeline layers prop. Okay, absolute width is full. Yes, I need width full. And it is removed the width. But no, I don't need this. Can I do this? So I don't want the width full as default, because I will add more text elements and then I can reduce the size of this text layer. Let's see. It didn't understand again. See, sometimes you have to. Let's see what it is doing. Atharv, your message is retracted. Brain, great. In that map, were you doing real-time updates? If yes, then how? Just the idea. I want to do the same in efficient way. Sure, Brain. I would show you now. Atharv, hi bhaiya. Okay, so brain, let me show you. I like these kind of questions where I have a little bit of experience and I can share it, right? So for example, this is your Game Tech. Hi bro, recently joined. Hi Game, welcome to the stream. I'm really glad you're here and I hope you stick around. Okay, so you have this map layer, right? Brain, brain. Now you want to update real time, right? Let's suppose what you are doing is you are taking users permission and this is the users point which you are putting here. Let's say this is, let's show it with red, fill it with red. So this is the users point which you are showing based on users location. Let's suppose users location is 0.167 and what you x and y are there, like longitude and latitude, and this is like 1.988. So this is the point which you are showing in the map. Now you can connect it with any real-time database. What I would suggest, like if you have not done any backend, you can use a real-time database which is RTDB of Firebase. So if you connect with Firebase, you have a direct connection, like anything which you update there will be automatically updated on your map. Now you can put a list of locations. Let's suppose you want to show in an area how many users are there in this, around this user. So what you can do is there is a formula, which a simple maths formula which you can use. First of all, you need to get all the users, right? So let's say there are users like 1.998, 0. Like just random numbers. I know these are just super wrong longitude, latitude, not even in India, but just for an example, I'm just putting out there. Let's say these 4 users are around. Now this will be like, let's say immediately one other person joined here and this information will be passed on to you from here. I don't know how good I'm teaching here. So this information you will get here. Now in locally you can run, there's a, but based on coordinates, like it's a very basic formula which maths algorithm which you can write, which will return you a radius around these users, how far they are from you based on your coordinates and their coordinates. And then you can map them up around you like this. The problem with this kind of real-time database is it will give you the list of all the users. For example, like Uber won't do this, because if you are locally, like if I am in Goa, I want to see people around me. I don't want to dump the database of every million user who is using the Uber at that moment. So for that, what they do is they send your location, and in the server they do this query to find only the people who are near to your coordinates based on, again, that formula, and then it just returns this data. For that also you can use RTDB, but then you will have to link it to some other, like some other database as well. So RTDB actually gets updated with some other database. Right. This is another database. Let's say this is a Firestore. So I'm giving examples of these, wait, because I'm currently using these, but this could be Firestore or this could be Postgres. Anyone which you like. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. Atharv, hi bhaiya. Hi Atharv. Hi bro. Okay, Parth. Geo database, right? Yes, this is a geo database. So this is how we built it back then. Okay guys, give me 1 sec. I am just taking a break. You know, so much work already. So yeah, I'll be back. I need to bring one drink which I got today. I'm feeling a bit thirsty. Hello, we are back. So I got this new drink today. Just trying it out. This is called sparkling water by Paperboat, and this has no sugar, carbonated water. Let's see. Wow, this has no sugar. Feels like sugary drink. Oh, okay, it has a sweetener, but non-caloric sweetener. Cool. No caffeine. That's good. Brain rot. All those coordinates you listed are also getting updates, so the map will keep on updating all users. It depends, like what kind of app you want to build. If you want to just show from one database, those users won't be updated unless the location changes, right? Yeah, you have to take care of performance. Again, depends on what kind of app you are building. If you are exactly building Uber, then you have to think otherwise. Ahil, any game developers here? Oh, Ahil, welcome back. Sorry, Ahil, I didn't reply you yesterday. Let me message you today. Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Damn. Hey, damn. Welcome back. Oh, sorry to know, Ahil. Daksh, what's your typing speed? Daksh, I never calculated. I did one test with my brother, like I was just competing with him. And when that test starts, I get so much anxiety that, yeah, I feel I'm good not testing it, not labeling it. Kunal, hello everyone. Hello Kushal. How are you? Let's see what it did. Video layer, yes. Oh no, video layer should not be. Okay, yeah, type should be timeline layer. Correct. That's true. Then video layers, audio layers, text layers, that's fine. Then timeline, yes, this is fine. Start events, yes, this is fine. This is, wait. Why not? Maybe because it's text layer, but do we have? Let's see. So if I can drop here, movies. We don't have a smaller one. This looks cool. It's looking good. Okay, Kushal, just saw your Cursor AI video and it's dope. I recently purchased Cursor AI to improve productivity and it's going good overall. You're welcome, Kushal. I'm really happy that you find value in that. These carbonated drinks, you know. Dundun, very cool setup. What are you working on? Hi, welcome to the stream, Dundun. I am currently working on my own app, which is called Post Handle. It's a web app, so mostly for creating short form content. And I'm currently working on its video editor feature. So making this timeline component. We were working on it for last week. So yeah, I majorly work on this on these streams only. So video layer, audio layer is completed. Now text layer I am adding. Let's see how it goes. Damn, I used to do lead code in CPP. Now I'm learning Java. Should I continue in CPP? Second year student. Damn, it depends like what the end goal is. If CPP is part of your curriculum, then yeah, finish that, learn it a bit to pass. Or if you are really interested and you are liking that language, the syntax and all, you can stick to it. CPP is like an evergreen programming language. And you become good at it. There is a project which I was working on last time. I don't know where it is, but it's all written in C++. It's a Mac native audio capture layer. I gave up on that project because CPP was making my life miserable. One thing which I want to do is text layers in timeline layer. Dundun, I'm in second year as well. Nice. So all the college guys, like I just want to know from as a student perspective, because when I was in college, I was certainly not sitting in like looking at YouTube streams and people. So are you guys like like kind of like a very studious kids who do watch these live streams, because when I was in college I was just playing Counter Strike and Need for Speed. Just want to know, like maybe this is a new trend where college students are more aware about what to do, and in first second year only they are so dedicated, or maybe you guys are just special, topper, or progressive. One thing is his text is fine, but do we need so instead of damn, now I just love tech. Nice, that's very interesting, guys. It's very inspirational as well. You guys are coming to such streams. I used to play Valorant until about a month ago, but reality hit me hard. I think it's time to focus on myself and work on upskilling. Wow, Dundun. That's kudos to you for being so self-aware, for having this understanding at this age. And yeah, reality hit me. Wow, man. Like, you're too young to, like, the reality hitting you. But again, kudos to you for having this self-awareness. I wish I would have that back when I was in college. I'm D2 in Velo. Back in college, I mostly bunked classes, played games, and watched tons of movies. Same, Amit. I was doing the same thing. Watching movies, completing TV series, and playing games. Please roast me. Damn, roast you. How? I don't know anything about you, Dundun. Your streams are pretty chill. I like it. Thank you, Dundun. That's why he's a chill guy. If you can see it here. But yeah, thank you. It means a lot. Happy life. I'm confused on what to learn to make my project's UI better. Framer versus GSAP. Which would be best to work with Next.js? I have worked with Framer. If you mean like the animation library, right? Framer is like a web building tool as well. Framer Motion. You mean Framer Motion, I'm pretty sure, because GSAP, I have worked with Framer Motion on my last project, and then I moved to GSAP. So to be honest, I have not worked too much on GSAP, but there was someone in our team, in our chat, I think Kushal, he is quite pro in GSAP. So yeah, and also I feel like GSAP has more controls compared to Framer. Maybe I'm wrong. But both work best on both, like Framer, both GCEP and both Next.js, Framer and GCEP. Yeah. Shubham, see, I play for an hour a day and code with you, no problem for me. Nice, Shubham, nice. What game do you play? Yeah, guys, today is what games you guys play, and then I'll tell you what game I play. Kushal, I have a bad habit of not finishing a project. When it starts, it's exciting, but as the time flies, I lose interest. Do you have good tips? Kushal, this is a very interesting topic because not just me, I mean, everyone here in this chat would agree on this, that we all start projects. If I will show you the list of domains I have purchased and I'm like paying every year to renew them, it's a lot. But this is a thing, like, I don't know where I was listening this, that starting something has this newness. Like once you start something, you feel happy because it's exciting, it's new. So you start doing it and then you get your dopamine, whatever, initially in the first or 2 days or 3 days. Once you see something is working and something is happening, you get your dopamine and you move on to the other new exciting thing. This is what generally happens with human brain. We look out for something exciting, it gives us a little bit of dopamine. Once that excitement fades away, then we are on to our hunt of another exciting thing. But I think I was reading some indie hackers, some book, and he said, like, not even like indie hacker, every startup has to stick with their idea for a very long time. They have to see through this cycle of where nothing happens. It's so boring, you just keep doing it. You ask your clients or your users what's happening, how to fix it. You just keep talking to them, which is the most irritating and boring thing. And then you keep iterating over it, and then it starts to become valuable. I have never seen a product becoming valuable from instant, like once it was launched and it was viral. It happens with a long time iteration. Every good product, I think YC founders give this advice to all their new batchmates. Like whenever you will start something, the excitement will fade away and you will have to stick to it. And that's what differentiate between a good project versus a average or bad product. You have to stick with it. Dundun, how old are you, if you don't mind? Dundun, I don't mind. I have told this like I think I almost in every stream now. I am 30 plus. Shubham, I play story mode like Hogwarts Legacy, Black Myth, Elden Ring. Nice. So Shubham, I used to play Dota a lot. Like I used to play for hours, and this was my time, 8:30 to 11:30. Sometimes it goes to 1, with a lot of my friends. And then we started playing Rust. If you guys have played, spam W in the chat. What does this spam? What does this mean? What's happening, guys? What does this mean, Himanshu? W mint. I don't know what these guys are up to. So I used to play Dota. Himanshu and Shivanshu, these are like pro players. Himanshu is a very pro player. I think he's a legend or whatever the top Dota player is. And yeah, then I started playing Rust. And in Rust, there were like kids who used to beat us, and they used to they used to just play so good, and we got bullied in Rust, to be honest. And that's why it's a very toxic game, but I still love it. Like if I find good players to play Rust with, I would definitely start playing it again. These days I'm playing this Red Dead Redemption. I'm stuck at one position which I found on YouTube, like how to move ahead in it. But yeah, I'm just a bit stuck with other things. Achal Pathak, which timer app you're using? Is it free or OSS? It's a free app. This is called Session Pomodoro. If you Google Session space Pomodoro, this will be the first app which you'll find there. And this timer is more famous than me here in these streams. Damn, that was unexpected. You look like 23, 24. Thank you, Dundun. Thank you. Vivek, I take that as a compliment. Yeah. Vivek Shavan, maybe add a short description about you in your stream description. Yeah, that's a good idea, Vivek. I might. Oh, I'm also planning to update my like a website as well to write a bit about me, projects and all. Not getting time, guys. I'm limited on some time. Yep, I played Rust, Shubham. Yep, Rust is crazy, right? Rust is a good game. It's unemployment. What is unemployment? Vivek, save your time. Yeah, Vivek, it's a good advice. I might do that. Achal, which timer app you are using? Yeah, Achal, I just mentioned Sessions Pomodoro. Rust is a fun game. Yeah, Rust is very fun. Like in fun category, I would rate it number one. Zuma's Cat. I used to play Contra, IGI, Far Cry when I was 14, then switched to COC. What is COC? Oh, Call of Duty, I know. Clash of Clan, you mean? Yeah, I have played Clash of Clan mobile as well. I get addicted to this other version of Clash of Clan, which was Clash Royale. Addicted for a while. I used to play it a lot back in 2016. Dun goat of a game. Yeah, it is. I have completed RDR2, Red Dead Redemption. Okay. Yeah, I'm still playing it. I find it very soothing. The whole story and the gameplay is very nice. Gotham, good content. Thank you, Gotham. Welcome to the stream. Isra, add voice channel in the server so we can do some chit chat. Yeah, sure. Let's add one voice channel. Yep, just add it. Himanshu, Rust is an abomination. Yes, so Himanshu and us, we used to play a lot of Rust, and there are some crazy stories with Rust. It's our Clash Royale I was playing too. Yeah, Clash Royale felt like, I can't say chess, but felt like you have to like think on the edge sometimes, like which card you want to play. Yeah, it was a fun game. Which mic are you using? This is a Sennheiser profile. Someone is asking, is CS still a viable option in future, or should I gravitate more towards other degrees after 12th? So I should tell someone, see, CS is a very viable option. It's just that the kind of programming we used to do will not be very viable in near future. But yeah, CS will always be. All the new things in AI happening because of CS. So yeah, I don't see CS as any problem in the near future. And don't get swayed away with all the news. Engineers will be gone and all. It's all mostly 90% of his marketing hypes. And when, just think in this term, when Web3 was at its peak, everyone said like now financial institutions are dead, banks are done, and banking jobs are gone, and all that happened. But then, everything is as it is. It's just that both are having their own fun. Bitcoin Web3 is having its own market. Old institutional banking system is having their own market. And this is how it goes most of the time. It's not that one would kill the other ever. And CS is a very viable option. Israr, I have never played Rust. Don't have friends. Yeah, playing Rust would actually make enemies for you, not friends. Rust is a very toxic game. Even with like the players you play with, you all fight with each other. You become toxic with each other. So yeah, that's why it's fun. Shivanshu, let's play Rust or Among Us right now. Right now, maybe this Saturday. Yeah, we can play Among Us, guys, on a stream. If anybody is interested, I would put a link on our Discord channel. So anybody who has not joined the Discord, please guys, join the Discord so we can play. Add me too if you guys playing Rust. Yeah, it's Rust. I don't think Rust needs a lot of coordination, but Among Us we can, or any small casual game which we can play on this weekend. I used to play Stray. Oh, Stray! I love Stray. The cat game, right? Before Red Dead Redemption, I was playing Stray, but it got boring. Like because you are alone in that alley, very like light figuring, and playing it alone felt like very sad. That's why I stopped playing it. Shubham, I'm of YCSE. Just accept for C language, everything is good. Yeah, that's true. What are your opinion about AI replacing 3D artists and animators? Again, nobody's replacing anyone anytime soon, guys. It's just that there will be less jobs because one person can do a job of 5 people now. So there will be jobs, but not that much as there were. And they will produce more content, more good quality things. So there will be like quality boost will happen, but not replacement anytime soon. Zuma's cat, but do you know word.exe controversy in CS? No, Zuma. Hey Vishnu, Among Us done. Yeah, Shubham. Yeah, let's make a group on Discord this weekend. Let's plan that. On Saturday we can do a 1 hour session at like 9:30 to 10:30. Clash of Clan, bro. I'm Town Hall 12 right now. Nice, Vishnu. AI can just copy paste from here and there, but AI cannot be creative as we humans are. Yeah, I don't know. This is kind of true, but again, AI can be pretty creative. That's what the thinking part is, which most of the companies are currently working on. It can be creative. So what technically is creativity for you guys? Like, what do you think what creativity means? I was just thinking deeply about it. I feel everyone is creative. Creativity means like mixing of like 2-3 ideas and combining it together is sometimes, I feel that is creativity. Like someone putting extra time on a single idea, refining it and linking to different ideas together. And that's what creativity is to me. And that's what AI is very good at. If you ask it to make a painting in Van Gogh style or in 3D, it would do that. So mixing of 2 different types of art into one. So it can be creative. Dumas Kart, हाँ मैं CS:GO player की बात कर रहा हूँ. CS Counter Strike. I used to play Counter Strike as well. I was not good at it. I am coping. Yes. Oh, yeah, maybe I am also coping here. Vishnu, it can be creative, but at human level. Is it a question? But at human level, can it? Who knows? Okay, which state is I really approve this drink. This is a very good drink. Non-caffeinated, no sweetener, sparkling water, which feels like lemony, like lemonade only. I don't need an overlay layer. But not at human level. I meant AI can't reach human level creativity. Not yet, but soon it can. I believe so. Kushal, what are your future plans with this channel, Divyanshu? Kushal, to be honest, this is a kind of a fun project for me, like a hobby project. So there's no such plans I have. I have plans for my like apps and things which I'm doing, but this will be kind of a hobby thing for me. I do it to like create, like I don't know if you guys have that, like when I publish these videos, I get this dopamine, a good like something I created and posted it out. This I get with when I publish any app as well. But with apps, it's the barrier to start and finish and publish is very high. But with videos, it's not that big. Like if I think of an idea today morning, I can push a video out by evening, and then I don't have to update it. With apps, you keep on updating. So this is the only difference I found in these two different workflows. And about future plans, not any future plan. It will be a fun project for me, which I really enjoy. Israr, I don't agree. AI can only process and replicate existing patterns from data it's been trained on, whereas creativity is something you might have never seen. AI can be what only till where human can. Yeah, Israr. So this is what currently is happening, and even I was looking at this article by one of the core team member of this Llama research labs, and he said the same thing. Like he was saying basically about AGI. So AGI is around the corner. That's what we are listening for a very long time. The artificial intelligence, the general intelligence, when it will just take over everything. But with the advancements which are happening, for example, these coding problems, right? It's one thing to code something which already exists out there, but creating something which is you cannot find that code and mixing it up to give you an answer and making these logics, I feel it has some layer of thinking now, which it creatively talking to itself and trying to find the solution. And if it has this bit of thinking, very small, now it's easy to scale it, and once it scales, it will be scary good. It will be at the level of human only, because if you think about it, it has that small hint of creativity when you give it a coding problem and it finds a solution. It's a logical solution which it can come to, and similarly it can do the same thing with creativity as well. Yeah, it's crazy. It just came out of nowhere. It's just getting better and better every single day. Yesterday I heard about a voice to 3D generation AI, just crazy. Yeah, it's an exciting time, to be honest. For me, it's very exciting. Like anytime I listen to any AI news, it's so exciting. Wow, crazy things are happening. Yesterday live 800 views, seriously? No, I see 200. I think few days back it was one of the stream went somewhere. Do people watch these streams even once they are finished? Because I noticed once I finish them, they are like 100, 150 views, and after that it has suddenly spiked to 200, double it. Okay, so I got most of the votes for my desk tour. That is coming then. This is coming this week, guys. Someone, do you find a skill that will boom in the coming years that I could devote my 1 to 2 hour every day, like any side skill? That's a good question. So this is one thing. One of the thing which we all human should devote some time to is this showing our face and being online, like creating a little bit of content, showing our visibility, because in the next few years internet will be bombarded with lot of like AI content everywhere, and then once this cycle will happen, this will happen with like a boom. I think it already started. There are a lot of content is converted with AI, generated with AI, and then we will find human will have this appetite for watching real humans. And if you become very authentic and come on the screen and show yourself, talk to people, make a small community, I feel this would be needed. I don't know, what do you guys think about it? I feel like people will be so fed up with AI generated content in few years that they will need some people, some real people. 3 days before live 800 views. Yeah, Vishnu. Do you know today all planets align? Oh, that was today? I heard the news that that's going to happen, but I didn't know it was today. I think you are mixing intelligence with creativity. I mean, they are kind of yin and yang, aren't they? Every intelligent person is creative. It just he forces his creative energy in other field. And every creative person is intelligent, vice versa. It's still visible. Visible? How can I see it? Dundun, I came here through your 3 days ago live stream, which was recommended to me. Ah, nice, Dundun. Thank you. It's being recommended. Nice. I've shared article on this on Discord to have a look. Yeah, sure. Let's see. AI can only produce artificial creativity. This was produced 2023. Nice. Abstract. This article draws from various theories of creativity, 4P and 6P theories, and uses several concepts from the creativity literature, self-actualization, emergence, to evaluate the claim that AI can be creative. This approach suggests that at most the output of AI represents products which, although lacking, may be attributed with creativity, such as attribution of mistakes and significant about the underlying process. Indeed, criticism previous leveled at views at the social recognition product required creativity also apply. Creativity with creativity, I discussed. The most telling of these is the honest emergence, and is that it makes no sense to refer to creative AI. One alternative is to extend the concept of it, which gives us artificial creativity as the label for which computers can do. Maybe original and effective, but it lacks several things that characterize human creativity. Most accurate to recognize that the output of AI is as kind of pseudo creativity. Kind of agree with this term, like artificial creativity. So the founder of, who's this guy? I should Google it. Llama model or Meta Teams AI researcher. Jan LeCun, yes. This guy. Oh, he was in Kamat's podcast as well. Interesting. Very interesting. So he had similar kind of thought as well. That with the fundamental models which we are using to train this AI, there can never be an AGI, like artificial super intelligence. But yeah, it's an interesting field. Every day we listen or hear something which is just crazy. Thank you, sir, for this article. Shubham, you can watch Mars and Venus easily. Is it, Shivanshu, is it true if you're here? Did you watch Mars and Venus? Because he's a Astrofanatic. And Jupiter looks like a star, like big star. Oh, I'll watch it after this. I'm just too dumb to understand anything after that. Good question. I guess I'm just too dumb to understand. What's the current status of your project? 4K subs, bro. Yeah, Vishnu, we celebrated that like this. The 4K mark. And current status, still working on the timeline view. The plan was to do this today. Text timeline. So this is kind of done. I'm just adding the text layer. Preview with scrubbing. I'll start adding the Emotion preview library now. Yeah, guys, also like I would really appreciate if you can bring my attention back to my project. Sometimes I have this ADHD. I just lose my concentration. Confetti, yes. So we have video overlay. Do we need an overlay? Maybe. Timeline layer type. And we... Prithviraj, kya hal? Hey Prithviraj, welcome back. Congrats on 4K. Thank you, thank you. What is this overlay timeline layer? It's all wrong. Muhammad Huzaif. Welcome to the stream. What are you building? I'm currently building this project called Post Handle. It's a web app. It's a web app to create short form content and schedule it on Instagram and YouTube. And I'm currently building the timeline for this layer. So video layer, audio layer, and a text layer. Vishnu, everyone, he said if he hit 10K sub, he will give a 10K rupees giveaway. Okay, let's do that. We'll do it at 10K. So you guys only have to do one thing. Just share my streams or my videos. Lol, wow, 10K give. Yes, let's do it. At 10K, we'll have a 10K giveaway. 10K for one lucky winner. Dundun, damn, I just checked your website. You know a lot of technologies. Thank you, Dundun. Which website did you see? No, bro, I just said it for fun. No, it's fine. 10K at 10K. 10K is very far, first of all. And second, like, yeah, we should always have a goal. So yeah, let's have a 10K and 10K giveaway. That's fine. You gave me a good idea, Vishnu. Thank you for that. Dundun light code. Oh, okay. Yeah, I used to write there a long back. So you know what happened with light code? So I was hosting it in this website, this server. What was that? The cheapest thing which you get. What is the cheapest server you get? I forgot its name also. I think Salesforce bought it. Salesforce bought which Heroku. Yeah, Salesforce ruined it. So I was using Heroku, the very cheap plan. I hosted this CMS on it. What was my CMS name? I forget everything. CMS. I forgot the name of the CMS I was using as well. It's very nice CMS actually. I might have written somewhere. And yeah, so Salesforce bought it, and then Salesforce stopped my subscription, and then I was not able to upgrade it, and then they shut down my Heroku server. Now the good part is the website is hosted on Vercel. So Vercel has this caching layer. So all the data which you see there is cached in Vercel now. If I remove it from Vercel, everything will be gone. So my plan is, again, this is one of the bucket list project. I want to move all this to a new CMS hosted on Coolify, but I'm not getting time for this. Yeah. Vishnu, what's the difference between a web app and a website? I think they're both same thing. Sunil Shah, hey bro, how are you? I'm good, Sunil, welcome. Happy life. You can give away 2000 to 5 people so people can buy an AI subscription. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. So more people will be interested. What do you suggest? 2K to 5 people or 10K to 1 person? What do you guys suggest? Amit Hetzner. Yeah, Amit, I moved to Hetzner after that. So I was using Heroku earlier. Before Salesforce bought it. When was the date? That was the date everything crumbled on my personal website. When did Salesforce bought Heroku? Okay, what? No. This is not the date. It was not in 2010. It was somewhere around 20, I would say 18 or 19 or maybe 21. Something back on that date, I don't know. 2K to 5 people. Okay, done. Honestly, you don't need to give anything, man. It's fine. It's fine. If it's fun for you guys, it's fine. Israr abhi aaya mein kya ho raha hai giveaway? There's a giveaway, Israr. So you guys have to just make sure I get 10,000 subscribers. As soon as we get that, we'll have a 10,000 rupees giveaway. Brain, how much lead code you have done? I have done very little, very less. I did it once as a fun activity with one of my friend who was in US. We used to just share one problem with each other to solve it, and that's the only time I did it. Never after that. Vishnu, 2K to 5 people, that would be helpful, and we have a higher probability to winning it. Nice. Okay, then it's done. I was wondering what code editor and framework you are using for this project. Code editor, I'm using Cursor, and I moved everything from Visual Code Studio, so it might look a little bit different because I have pasted all the themes and extensions of my VS Code, but it's Cursor. And what was the other question? Framework. So I'm using Next.js here. Na पैसों का giveaway नहीं करते. Okay, yeah. Any good ideas? We can do that. These two guys are also here. The chill guy and this minion. After this Pomodoro, just go out and watch the planets. Yeah, sure. We'll do that. In next 25 minutes, I'll do that. Let's start another one. The last session. Giveaway में day ones को benefit है क्या? Yeah, that's a good thing to think about. Because you guys are here from day one. That's true. And how do I know? Like some of you guys I know by name now. But there are more people. Yeah, maybe there will be some sort of a list I will get from YouTube subscription list. Reach 10K, participate in a giveaway in your Discord, get selected to win it. Okay. Yes, this will be unique. chill guy का कर दो. Chill guy giveaway, guys. Don't, that will be good. I'd like to get a chill guy. Got it. Chill guy it is. Sunil, it would be so good if you make a tutorial video for free. Sunil, what kind of tutorial you would like to see? And to be honest, guys, I tried one tutorial and I really didn't enjoy the recording process and doing everything. It's too much work. I don't know how people make tutorial videos. So yeah, it for me, it just sucks the fun out of making videos. Just make a course. Again, Shubham. I can think about it maybe. Maybe app development or even web app. Yeah, can. The people who make tutorial video are doing it full time, so it's fair for them. Yeah, that's true. If it's a full time thing and you can dedicate your whole day in it as a job, I think then only you can do it. Otherwise, guys, you try yourself, like whatever you know, just try to make a video or as a coach. So there are so many things, right? First, you have to think about the structure of your course. Day one, what you're going to teach in one, how you're going to hook initially, and then you have to teach, and then you have to make that thing live, and then you have to record. You don't have to mess up anywhere. Then you have to edit it. It's so much work. And then the thing which you're making is kind of similar, which other have already made. So now the viewers have a choice, kind of similar choice. So yeah, that's why I generally don't enjoy that process. You did a video today like that, how to make cursor project much faster and efficient kind of tutorial. Yeah, these kind of videos I can make, like the things which I'm just learning and I find it very useful. I can document it. Like even I'll go back to that video sometime and see if I'm not doing that regularly. But structuring it into a proper tutorial, I think that I'll have to think a bit more. How do you log errors in prod? Okay, so for logging, so most of my apps which I'm currently using, so there are two cases, right? One is you are a big company or you're working with a team. Then I generally use Sentry. If you guys don't know about this. So I use this heavily. One of my web service uses it. It has a very decent free tier as well. And they're pricing this one. So they have error monitoring, tracing. So I have used this. Then I have also used Datadog, but I never liked it. It's very expensive, very complicated. So then I moved to this open source error monitoring service, open source error logging alternate for Sentry. So this I used in my last company. What was its name? No, I'm not AppSignal. It was some Indian company. Was it AppSignal? I completely forgot its name. So it was very easy to host it on a T2 medium on AWS. AppSmith. So AppSmith, I think it's not. It's also Indian company, but it's for low code. Error logging, open source company, India. They're an Indian team. Signos. Yes, Signos. Yeah. So this one I used extensively on my previous company. I was the one who hosted it on AWS, then integrated it on our web services. This used to give us like how much CPU usage we are having, what's the status of our RAM, and what's the status of our database, how many queries are coming, how many request errors and all. So we used to, like, this was the main dashboard which I used to open every day in my company and used to look at like what's happening. So this is kind of a thing. And right now what I do, it's a very hacky thing which I do these days. I don't want to invest time on this Sentry integration and looking at this dashboard. I use Discord. So I have created a webhook and created some channels like error log channel, where I'm not interested in all the error logs. If I find any bug, I can just go in real time and see if try to replicate that bug. Otherwise, if there is an error which I am really interested in, for example, if my AI service is not responding, that's an error I'm interested in. Why didn't it respond? So for that, I get a webhook on my Discord and I get a like notification, like this doesn't, and this happens once in a week. And then I know, okay, maybe the AI service was too loaded, too many requests at a time, these kind of things. So if I get something like undefined error, then I start to look at, okay, what happened? Maybe I should look at it. So it's more like I should have these kind of like notifications, right? So I know what's happening on the back end, which is not in my visibility. Yeah, this is what I do. Shubham, yeah, like you can just make a small app from scratch. Yeah, can. Maybe system design tutorial. Oh man, on how you approach a particular problem, solve it. Yeah, that. Again, guys, are you really interested in this? Maybe I do a poll for this. This could be like very technical. Another thing is like today's video I created, my wife didn't like it. She hated it. Oh, so she's like my first viewer. Whenever I publish a video, I just share the link with her and say, watch this. And she said, she was like yawning in the middle of it. She didn't understand half of it. So yeah, I also want to make sure she enjoys the content which I'm making. This will get too technical otherwise. Because there are so many people who is getting lost in a loop of learning coding, I feel like result oriented process will be better. Yeah, this is a true thing. Like this is something which I learned as well. Sometimes you go into these courses, right? And you think like once I finish it, then only I will be able to make something, but that's not the reality. Facts. No way, let's do one thing. The 5 winner will get a chance to do a project with you. It will be fun. Zoom, it will be fun for you, or maybe 1 or 2 of you. I don't think everyone will really enjoy that. I can do a project with you guys without winning anything. Developer productivity. This is my domain. This Rar, you hit it right. This is my domain. Developer productivity videos. I'm really interested because I myself learn about productivity. How can I do more things in less amount of time? And so that this is something which interests me a lot. How can I, because I read about this a lot, I watch content about this a lot, so I want to make content around this. So this is my niche, guys. Developer productivity. Dundun, are you streaming on Twitch as well? I see Restream link in your description. Yes, Dundun, I'm live on Restream. There is one guy, I'm pretty sure it's Israr, who is watching on Twitch. Amit, it. So is it built on top of OpenTelemetry? Yes, Amit, is it? It is. When I was installing it, I got into multiple issues with their services, and I had a call one-on-one with their team. Then I got to know like all of they are like Indian. They sit in Bangalore only, and they were telling me it's all built on like OpenTelemetry. So what they have done is created this open source kind of a front end layer of it, so it shows you in a better dashboard. But internally it all uses OpenTelemetry. Dundun, wait, what? You are married? Yeah, that's Dundun. I am. Sunil, is she also a software engineer? No. She is a PhD. She has done her PhD in biotech, and right now she's working on her own business. Zuma's cat. Vivek, what kind of error are you getting? Maybe hydration error or something? Yeah, that depends. Which is better in terms of monetary value, iOS, web app, or Android? So in my opinion, web app. Okay, yeah, it's a very good question, and I'll give you a very honest, practical answer based on my learning. If you make a web app, it's very hard to market it. Like until you have a solid plan how you want to market it, it will become very hard for you. Paid ad doesn't work on web app as well, and also type of app makes like people use these web apps. What kind of app it is? From my experience, for example, like I'm building this post handle, right? I know the target audience very well to whom I should pitch it. So it will be kind of easy for me to market it compared to the previous project which I have built. where I didn't know where to reach out for these people who will use this web app. It's for everyone. So if your app is for everyone, it's a very big problem for you, because then you don't know who to market it. And so I feel iOS is very nice for monetary value, because iOS, if you make a nice good iOS app, the first thing is iOS App Store will automatically rank you on those keywords and give you viewers without you doing anything. So it's kind of your marketing agent, the App Store. You just make and publish, they will take care of bringing users to your app. Now if app is good, user find value, they will start paying as well immediately. That's what I have noticed with iOS. Android is good if you need to reach mass without doing any work. Like my app ranked, I don't know where, and it start to get like 500 downloads a day immediately. And after like 1 or 2 weeks, it start to get like 500 downloads. But the users are not willing to pay much, specifically like for these monthly subscriptions. So this was my learning, and I have earned quite a lot with Android apps as well, like a decent amount previously. And it was majorly with the ads. So ads work better on Android because you get mass, you get a lot of users who can now see a lot of ads, and they are okay to see ads. In iOS, they would uninstall you as soon as you hit them with these ads. They are okay to pay few bucks to remove the ads. So if I have to rank it, iOS, then Android, then web app. This is my learning. But some people are really good at creating web app and they know how to market it. For them, web app is better. Like most of the indie hackers which I see on Twitter talking, they all are like building web apps because they have built web apps. And also they hate that 30% charge which Apple charges or Play Store charges. Now it's 15, but yeah, they still don't want to pay that much. But I'm okay to pay that 15%. I'm getting free marketing. Vishnu, build a highly engaging free app. Monetize the whole audience. Build it for high CPM tier 1 countries and you will bridge. Yeah, that's the goal, Vishnu. It's the goal. But it's very hard to find such kind of ideas, or even like building such kind of an app which gets hit initially easily. Oh yeah, Mark Lu. He's a very interesting guy. I follow him on Twitter. He's a very inspirational guy as well. He's an indie hacker from Bali. I started following his journey when he was making this habit plant or something like that, very small app. He was not earning much, and then suddenly with his startup called Shipfast, he started earning. So technically he didn't earn from his products, he earned from the process of making things. He made so many things that he learned, okay, I have this template which I can start selling, and that template started making money. So this teaches me that, okay, making a valuable product is very hard, and you just keep trying. And later on, like, he understood, okay, he then made this code fast. So he went into this territory of people making money from his product. So you can sell with, I was reading somewhere, like, you can sell in business, you can only sell with 3 things. Either your product is entertaining people, or it's making them money, or it's saving them time. So there are only 3 things. So he understood, like, he can make a product which makes people money. He can sell it in that way. Daksh, we can export the app in React Native by adding key for console. Sorry, Daksh, did not understand this question. Vishnu, we have to build something that people will talk about on social media and people start sharing it. Yeah, that's what we want, but the core ideas sometimes are very hard to find. And mostly, like, I've been trying it for a very long time, guys. It's very hard building a product. Like, talk to any guy who has built a successful product. It's usually very hard hard means like you have to try multiple times, multiple iterations, and then only. It's not just the idea, but it's also the execution and a lot of other external factors. I don't know if he's earning that much or just faking it out for some reason. No, Sunil, I think he's earning quite a lot. He also shares his like these Stripe direct consoles, so which are connected directly with the Stripe dashboard. I think his Shift has this page. You guys can go here. Leaderboard is there, right? This. So this is a leaderboard you can see, and this leaderboard is not like someone putting these numbers out. These are directly linked to a Stripe dashboard. So Stripe shares this data, and that's what you can see here. So if you go here like January and all time, in all time Mark Lu will be somewhere here. I don't know, maybe he has removed himself. He was here earlier. Dun, I have never used Cursor. Is it better than VS Code, and what's shifting from VS Code? Dun, we have from VS Code. If you use Klein, I just started using Klein with DeepSeek. I'm like still learning and see if it's better, but so far Cursor is like, I moved from VS Code to Cursor because Cursor is, well, much better. You can't do this with Klein as well. Like you can just select this code and write what you want to do with it, submit, edit, and it will just change the code. You can review it and submit. So yeah, try Cursor. It's free as well. Vivek, is course selling business works then SaaS? It depends. It depends. If you have a following who are willing to pay for your courses, you can make money, a lot of money with selling courses. There are already so many apps that I have thought of building. Yeah, make a list of all the apps which you want to build. I was going through my very old diary, and there, I think in 2018 somewhere, I have written one app idea, which I technically built in 2021 after 3 years. And it was kind of good success. Like I sold it to someone. Mark Lu has like 4 or 5 SaaS. He also shows, I think he has more SaaS than that. He has an indie page, his own startup. So in indie page, he has, I can show you guys, indie page. So this is also Mark Lu's website, and you can see his. So all these products are his: by Dispute, Zen Voice, Poop Up, Launch Viral, Data Fast, Shift Fast Code. All of these are built by him. So yeah, he's a very hardworking indie dev. Amit, he prioritizes speed over security, and most of his projects are insecure. Yeah, Amit. I mean, he got viral because of this security issues. To be honest, I don't mind that. Like he's selling a code as a service, so he should be a little bit thoughtful about it. But in general, the people who are buying it, like if you are kind of a person who is buying a template and you are expecting it to be full secure proof, so first thing is you want to build something very quickly, right? So if you want to build something very quickly, it's okay to have some security loopholes, in my opinion. It's okay. Like MVPs are, once you find an MVP or a product market fit, then just sit and fix those security issues, put a team. It's like you have found an engine which makes money, right? Now it doesn't, if it's leaking some oil, then it's fine. You fix that, but that engine makes money. You have found it. So the problem is to finding that money making engine. Most of the engines will fail. 90% of the engines will fail. The app which you sold was the selling the end goal when you started, or was it to just happen to do? So I started it, and then I got kind of a bored with it, and I put it on auction. This is what happened. So there was no end goal when I started it. Again, it was the shiny object syndrome. I started it, I built it, I saw some users coming in paying for it, and then I got bored. I did not want to add features on it, and I wanted to move to another shiny thing. So I sold it. That was the core reason. At my full-time job, I do my 30-minute task in one prompt, one single accept, done. that's that's what's happening these days. Wow, guys, I think I should also get a job then. If this is what's happening, I should just do my task in these daily streams and then chill. Yeah, I saw this video that someone found a bug on his SaaS and posted on Twitter. Every software has some kind of a bug on it. No software is secure. Yeah, it's again, it depends. It depends. What was the app about? So the app was on a like a photo related photo video category. Can't share the whole detail of it. I don't know, like, yeah, it's a very niche category. I don't know if the buyer would be very interested if I keep sharing about it. I think they are still working on that app. Israr happens with me to finish. Okay, so what was the app about? How much did you sell it for? Not much, guys. I did not sell it much. So the app had, I think, 12 subscribers, paying users, only 12, and it had huge potential though with paid ads. If I would have run the ads, which I came to know later on, and someone created similar kind of a product which got like, I think, $1 million a year kind of deal, and this guy bought it from me at a very decent price because, well, 12 subscribers, how much you can. So this is a maths which happens generally, and I got a pretty good deal. So if you think about it, the app was asking users $9.99, so let's say $10 a month, and I had like 12 paying users, which is $120. If we do it for 12, that is around $14.40, right? So technically this app should sell at its 3x, which is 4,000 or 5,000. That's what marketplace, but I got almost like more than 10x on it because, well, someone found it very valuable. Bro, someone uploaded video shows he's saving clients Stripe key insecurely in DB, so not cool. Yeah, I mean, it's basic ethics. Yeah, it's sometimes we become too aggressive towards people once they start becoming successful, like this Mark Lu. I'm not a fan of him. I don't follow him blindly, but to be honest, I can understand from where he's coming from. He's been grinding his ass for so long, and finally he got something. So he was trying to just sell it, and it blew away, like his project. It became like viral. So once you become viral, then people start nitpicking, and I don't know. Nitish, are you using Cursor paid version, bro? Yes, this is a paid version. What is the limitation in Cursor free version? So you get, like, in these queues, 50, like I think 5-10 queries are free. After that you get into queue. What was the app about? What problem was it solving? If you don't mind, answer. Sunil, I can't share the exact detail what it was doing, but it was in the photo image category, mostly like editing of images, and yeah, editing of images, you can say. It was helping user edit their images. It was an iOS app. Okay, so this layer is still incomplete. Today we did a lot of chit chat, guys. Cool. So I think I'll wrap this up, today's session here. And again, it was very fun talking to all of you guys. And in the live call, we reached to 4,000. Again, confetti time, confetti. Amit, I like Mark. I watch his content all the time and don't have any hate towards him. Yeah, man, I like Mark. I like anyone who is just hardworking, grinding, and he's one of those guys. His journey is quite impressive. Completely. That I was very inspired with his journey. Okay, guys, see you then. See you tomorrow. And newcomers who are here, I hope you guys liked it today's stream. And yeah, if you guys are not here, like, please join the Discord group. We do talk about tech and share some insightful tips on AI. Cool. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.